Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can join a playlist on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section. Here, you're going to find search. And right here, you're going to find all of your playlists. If you click on expand your library, you can see all of your playlists and albums from here. So right now, in order to be able to join a playlist, the person who owns the playlist needs to add you as a collaborator. If the person adds you as a collaborator on the playlist, you're going to find their playlist right here. So right now, if you want to add someone as a collaborator to your playlist, all you need to do guys is go here, expand your library, then choose the playlist you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Then once you're here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the songs you have in the playlist. And here in the top, you're going to find the option to play the playlist. Right here, you're going to find the option to enable shuffle. You can download the playlist. And here, you're going to find invite collaborators to the playlist. If you click right here, the link will be copied to your clipboard. And then just copy the link and paste it or send it to the person you want to add as your collaborator on this playlist. Once you do that, if they click on the link, they're going to be able to join you in your playlist. If you click on these three dots right here, you're going to find the option also to share the playlist. If you want to share it with someone, they can also see the playlist, but they can't add or remove songs to your playlist. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.